Adding people in Trello always allows you to collaborate effectively by assigning tasks, sharing updates, and discussing it within the cards. How can you add people in Trello boards? It's pretty simple. This video tells you a step-by-step guide. Before that, Trello is a project management software that's used heavily by professionals, and one should always remember that this is one of the software that everyone uses. You have to log in. You can invite people by clicking on the invite button of the board. You can alternatively open your board menu. You can enter the email address or username to people you want to add. Then you can send an invitation. After sending invitation, you can now assign permissions like admin, normal, member, and that's all you can do. This is very simple actually guideline how you can add member or people in your Trello project management tool. Trello project management tool, again, it's a very commonly used software for organization that helps you to create enhance the productivity that you can lack without that. So Trello, how can you add people in Trello? That's simple, just invite it. You can add username, email address, and stuff. Then users can now view, enhance, and changes.